Are you a freelancer or trying to be one? Then this video can save you tons of money and time. While starting out, a question arises in everyone's mind is what type of budget they need for their freelancing career. So it depends on where are you start with. It depends on what type of freelancer are you gonna be. It depends on what type of workload you are gonna have. So on that basis, I have categorized three type of freelancer overall that needs different type of budget for different type of laptop to meet their client's need. I'm here to give you the exact framework that will help you make the best decision. If we try to categorize the freelancers, you can see three type of freelancers overall. One is creator type, the people who works with design, Adobe softwares, Photoshop, Premiere Pro. So one type is that. And another type is the developer professional like web developer, coders. And another type is the digital marketer, content writer, content marketer, this type of people. These three categories have different type of needs. Depending on the work you do, you will easily fall into these three categories. Let's start with a reality check. Your PC is not just a purchase, it's an investment. So think wisely while you are investing on your career. Your PC budget should not exceed your 10 to 15% of your annual income from freelancing career. If you are starting out, you don't know how much to budget, then this video will also help you out how much you should invest for a PC. If you're just starting out with digital marketing or social media marketing or content writing or this type of stuff that does not need much of a CPU power or much of a computation power, then you don't need to spend a lot of money behind your PC. Just start with 30k, 40k PC. If you are traveling a lot, if you are like working like a digital nomad, then you need a laptop. A good workable new laptop can cost you around 50 to 60,000 and that will be suffice for you. But if your work aligns more with the design side, then you need a very good computational power. You need a very good PC. If you are a video editor, then you need graphics card. And even if you are not a video editor, if you are a designer, if you are an illustrator, then also you need a very good amount of graphical power in your piece. For designers and video editors, my suggestion would be do not go below 60 to 70k when you are starting out and have some space for upgrading when you want to. When your workload is getting heavier, then you can upgrade it. If you are a coder or developer or a programming professional, then 100k to 150k laptop is gonna do fine for you. Here's what the most freelancer mess up. So let me give you a smart investment technique. When you're buying a new PC or a laptop, think of it as a 3 to 5 year cycle. So that at the very least it can support you up to 3 to 5 years. Then you need to budget depending on your income. So check if income is coming. If there's no income, then it's a loss investment already. Then comes used versus new dilemma. A well-conditioned used laptop or PC can do better than a budget PC or laptop within the same budget. So do not think that used means trash. Used can be a very good option for you too for starting out. Before we talk about where to spend, let me tell you where freelancers do mistake. Do not spend on gaming PC or gaming laptop. Like if you don't need a gaming PC or gaming laptop for the start, then if you need to finance, like if you need to take a loan for your PC, then it does not worth that much because you cannot afford it. It's not a house or land. It's a depreciating asset. Its value will go down. I would suggest you not to take any loan. A lot of people, including me, did mistake on buying for future proof. So future proofing is a myth. Technology changes too fast. So just buy what you need and like 20% more capacity than what you need right now. That will suffice for you at least 3 to 5 years in the upcoming time. And when you have a steady income, when your income grows, you can spend more on your PC depending on your need. Here are the action plans. Step 1. Check how much annual income you are gonna make, like approximate amount. Apply 10 to 15% rule, like 10 to 15% of your annual income on your PC. Or approximate. The next step is list your categories, like which category you fall into. Then list the thing you must have or nice to have. Focus on the must haves like more RAM, SSD. These are must haves, not the RGB lighting and stuff. And research refurbished business laptops or used good quality business laptops. So here's the bottom line. Your PC should make you money, not cost you money. If your 200k PC can bring you more client and satisfy your client better than it used to do, then it's just worth all the money. But if you're spending 300k to 400k for a PC to have the latest and greatest, then it's not an investment. It's just a burden on your head. What's your freelance category? Let me know in the comment section. And what budget do you have? And I will suggest you the best PC or laptop you can buy in that budget. See you in the next video. Tada.